A month ago, I told you about the Quixel Megascans that you could claim entirely for free with just one button. That's 80,000 assets you can use freely in Blender or any other program. If you missed that video, I will put the link in the description. Today, Epic Games is doing even better because now you can claim those assets directly inside Quicksell Bridge, and believe me, it's game changing. But you have to do it before the end of this month because in 2025 it won't be free anymore. There were some confusions in the comments of my last video about this topic, so this time let me be crystal clear. You click on this button and those 80,000 assets are yours forever. You don't have to download them, you only need to click on this button before 2025. Then you can download the assets now, later or never, it's up to you, but everything is yours. Now, let's see why this is way better with Quicksell Bridge in the game just after this quick shout out. The ride is 30% off for Christmas. It's my Blender car animation course created for beginners and intermediate users who want to get into car animation. Now you get 85 videos and 13 hours of training. And of course, everything is included. The cars, the assets, the add-ons, everything you need to follow along. You will also get my personal help on a private channel on Discord in case you're stuck or you need advice. So what's up with the Quicksell Bridge thing? Well, until a few days, you were able to claim everything, but you had to do it through the fab.com website. And for my taste, it was not the best experience. Inside Fab, you had to go on the Quixel profile to find those assets. Then many collections were missing. It was nearly impossible to find some assets if you did not know their names. There was no interface with Blender. What I mean is you had to manually download an asset, store it on your hard drive, and then import it manually in Blender. And most of the time, you also had to fix some texture issues. Overall, the experience was not very smooth. Now, with Quicksell Bridge, it's a real pleasure to find and use those assets. And let me show you how. If you don't have Quicksell Bridge, you go here. I will put the link in the description. You click on Download Bridge. You install the thing. When you install Bridge for the first time, I think it will ask you to install a plugin. You choose the one for Blender. You click on Sign In. You can create a free account or you sign in with your Fortnite account. When it's done, you come here, Edit, Manage Plugins, and be sure that you have the Blender plugin installed. Once you're there, you will have one of the most beautiful buttons in the world, the Claim Now button. So let's do it together. You click on it. So it says that you have until the 31st of December to do that, and then you click on Claim. And boom, everything is mine, and this time inside Bridge. Now it's much easier to find the assets you're looking for. There are categories, there are collections. I use a lot of environment in the collections category. I use it to get inspiration and to identify assets I could use in my project. Then when you want something, you just click on the asset, you select the resolution. If it's already downloaded, you will have this little green tick. If not, you click here on download. You will then have the assets in your local collection. Of course, you can decide where you want to store those files on your machine. You just go here in Edit and Settings, and you can manage the storage here. Then when you want to import the asset in Blender, you just click on Export, and voila, the asset is imported directly in Blender. You have the textures and everything already set up for you. So it's 18,000 professional assets for free. Even if you don't use them now, I think you should do it just in case. And now if I check my account, I can see that I have purchased the 18,000 assets. Okay guys, that's it for today. Don't hesitate if you have questions. I talk to you soon. Bye bye.